Today I'm replacing more siding, and be sure to check out the bonfire at the end of the video. I started out by removing the skirting from the bottom of the house. It was pretty rotted out, and I'm going to go with a different style. The house had quite a bit of trash and debris underneath, so after I removed the siding, I cleaned it up some. Here you can see what it looked like before and after I cleaned it up. Here I'm using a multi-tool to remove the trim board. If you don't have one of these yet, I highly suggest you get one. Here I'm cutting away siding so I can add hardy trim and brick molding to frame out the doorway. After shimming, I made sure the door frame was square and level and secured it into place. Next I used zip tape to seal it all up. When using zip tape, you want to do the sides first and then the top. I didn't have full pieces of hardy trim, but I had a few pieces laying around, so I went ahead and attached them to the house. That way I could install the brick molding. These 45-degree angles on the brick molding came out pretty clean. I used house wrap to seal the house, and then I cut down to size all the new siding boards. My lovely mom was out at the farm today, and she was willing to give me a hand. I used a laser level to make sure these sconces will be symmetrical. Now for the fun part of getting rid of all this wood. I think the best way to get rid of it is to have a bonfire.